Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Um, ahem, ahem. Am I too loud? Ahem, ahem, ahem. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Am I too loud? Am I too loud, guys? Um, I don't know. Um, um, um. I have a surprise for you guys today. I don't know if it's a surprise. I don't even know if I don't know. I'm excited for it, but I have two surprises actually. I don't know if it's a surprise to be honest. Surprise! I think I know what it is. You know the other one, but you don't know the other one. It's been 84 years since I've watched Toei. Hi Tanner. Hi Crazy. Hi Rumor. Hi Simbi. Hi Shield. Hi Nowitzki. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. First off, we have a new. I did something. We have a new layout. We have a new setup. Um, I'm really excited for this one. I found my iPad again. I found my iPad. Hi Toei. Hi Crazy. Is Crazy at work today? She's not a high schooler anymore. I am. I'm still a high schooler. iPad kid. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. I don't know why. Wait, hold on. iPad. Shut up, bro. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. iPad adult. Fuck you, bro. I hope your internet dies. I hope your I hope your Wi-Fi dies. Your mobile data just dies. Hi, best mod here. Hi guys. Hi guys. Yeah, yeah. Um we're not ditching the other ones. I'm just revamping the other one, but this one, I like this one. What in the hell? I you know what? Supposedly there's like a thingy at the bottom here. I can't. That's why we got delayed. Cause I'm trying to fix the Spotify now playing thingy, but for some reason it's not working. I don't know why. Internet died. That's normal here in PH. I'm not iPad kid. I'm not. Guys, for some reason. Wait, when was the last time we streamed? Wasn't it just like Saturday? Bro, I feel like, I feel like we haven't streamed for so long. She be taking photo of us with her phone. No, I'm chatting you guys. Can you not see I'm chatting? Okay, okay, no more shaving you then. What do you mean no more shaving me? May 9 was the last stream. 84 years. Was it that wait, how long is that? Um anyways, Dio. Oh my gosh, hi Zico. Welcome, welcome. Hi Zico, hi Zico. Wait, did the was wait. Oh, okay. Okay. I thought the bot did not shout out Tanner. Hi Zico, hi Zico, hi Zico. I eat now. Good night, Zico. Wait, why are you awake? Isn't it like morning your time? Bye bye. Mine's still longer though. Okay. And yes, I'm at work. I see, I see. How's Miss Vibes? Shut up. What? Don't call me Miss Vibes. Like I'm not even gonna say it sounds good. I have a gift for you. Oh, were you what do you call this? Were you given what do you call that? Like a gift from his channel earlier. It's his birthday today. Yeah. Gaki's birthday. Yes, gifted. I have another surprise, guys. You guys will. So you guys remember the lollipop Fugi? I have it now. Oh my gosh. Um, let me. Okay, I wanna. Wait. Browser Fugi. I'm gonna show it. Oh my gosh. There's some more surprise. Yeah, there's some more surprise. Also, wait, how are you guys, by the way? While I'm doing this, how are you guys? How is everyone's day? How do I even put this? Okay, never mind. This is so funny. This is so funny. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'll put my. Oh wait, I'm not on a Discord call. Wait, hold on. Let me go to the so streaming. Wait. I'm tired and hot. Wired. I spent all my pulls on Hotori. Is Hotori who is Hotori? Oh, is that the wait. This is so funny. Wait. Tired as fuck. Man, I'm also like very tired to be honest. Wait. Hotori on NT. You know what? I stopped playing NT. This is wait. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Wait, I need to unmute. It's so nice. It's so cute. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Over here in 90 volts. Oh my gosh. Look. If I talk, it stops. And then if I shut up. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's nice. Wait, let me remove my. Actually, you know what? Let's remove my. Let's put this at the bottom. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm like so tired to be honest. It's so derpy. I love it. I know. It's so nice. Oh wait, what happened? Oh my gosh, bro, this looks so cute. Oh shit, what did I move? Wait, what? Yeah, isn't that so nice? I love it. Cute and cursed all together. It's not cursed. What do you mean cursed? It's really nice. Oh my gosh, hi Queen. Hi Queen. Welcome in. Welcome in. It's not cursed. It looks really nice. It looks really hello. Like can you guys not see the vision? What is this? Is it can you not see the vision? It looks good. Like look, I'll shut up. You know what? We'll put this at the cart. Oh wait, not that one. I'll put it at a corner. I'll put it somewhere. Since the Spotify thingy is not working anyway, we'll keep this one. It's so funny. It's so funny. I don't know why I love it so much. Oh, wait, shit. Let's put it on top. Hi, Mizu. Where did you get it? I need one. I'll send you the link. But there, can you disable the darken effect when you don't talk? I can, but oh, you know what? Yeah, actually, let me fix that. Does that work? How do you remove it? Oh, okay. Never. Wait, I need to put it somewhere. I want it somewhere here. I want to always see it. Okay, we'll put it somewhere near the phone, yeah? Like that. Oh wait, no, I need to. Perfect. Isn't that so nice, guys? Isn't that so nice? Anyways. Hi guys, how is everyone? How's everyone's week so far? How's everyone's I'm trying to think like what day is it? Like Wednesday morning? Mm-hmm. Wednesday morning or Wednesday evening. It's been all right. My day is my day is okay, but I'm getting like really nervous for like the coming weeks. Like I'll be doing like I'll be doing I don't know if I should say it. I feel like I'm gonna get doxxed or something. Um but I'll be doing some place. Oh no, I'm not gonna do doxxed. I'm gonna do like some placements. I'll be doing place not surviving alive. We're getting like mixed mixed responses. So like next week I'll be like very busy. I don't even know if I can like stream midweek next week. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just stream like 2 days and like Friday, Saturday. I really can't do like Sunday because I need to like sleep early and then wake up early. I need to be awake at like 6 a.m. or like 5 a.m. Oh my gosh, bro. Imagine waking up 5 a.m. every day. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just stab me, bro. Um, yeah. I've been stressing so much with like unis and stuff like that. I actually have a paper due. Like it's actually due like last Monday, but I haven't like oh my gosh, I haven't. You know what? For a what do you call this? You got this guy. Thank you. For a for a high school VTuber, you know the concept of like being a high school student or like I don't know, just a student in general. I am. I'm not a very good student in real life. I'm so shit at being a student. I'm like stressing so much because like I feel like if I because the thing is if I don't pass, bro, I'm gonna pay again. You're casual. What do you mean I'm casual? Casual in what way? Oh, let me just look at something. Mm, mm. Most high schoolers are shit as well. Bro, I'm like really scared of like high school kids. My final year of uni was so bad. Is it bad because there's like much more stuff happening, or is it bad because you got like senioritis and like you just you just feel like, you know, I have a very bad case of senioritis, like employed and enrolled. My autocorrect? No, I have like a very bad thingy with like senior. I feel like what do you call this? I don't know why, but I man, I don't know. You know what? I'm just like so numb with like the stress right now that no matter how many stress I get, I just like really I just stop. Like it doesn't really how do you even explain it? It doesn't bother me that much anymore. And it's more shit cuz like instead of me trying to do something, trying it instead of using stress to like finish something, it makes me stop more and makes me like not do it more. I will stay at uni till midnight. Oh my gosh. I mean, I can't do that. I mean, how do you stay at uni until midnight? Like, doesn't the train stops at like 12? How do you just leave there? But yeah, I'd get on the last train home. Oh, I don't think I can do that. My parents would like die from like worry. You're like, I can't complete this either way, just drops it. I mean, the thing is, I know I'll be able to do it. Like, yeah, the thing is, I'm like panicking in my head, but my body physically don't want to do it. It's kind of like that. So I just don't do it. I just completely stop and like procrastinate. That's why even yesterday I was trying to do my paper. I have Overwatch on the background because I was like, I'm like in between. I'll do my paper in between. She's a part-time guard. He sleeps on campus. He does like what do you call that? What do you call that? Like midnight shift. You're like fuck it. Kind. Ah man, I can't even. This overgooner. Okay, no, like I need to do something that stimulates my brain while doing that. Cause like I if I just do that, bro, I don't know. I just like I said, for someone who's like a VTuber high school thingy, I'm so bad at being a student. I should I know that it's bad and I know that I should fix it, but like uh, it's like I don't know. 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 Anyways, yeah, so I have like some shits happening the next few weeks, and I hope I survive. I really hope I do. I'm gonna be meeting with like the worst people like the scariest type of people for like the next 3 weeks. Not even 3 weeks actually, because I'm gonna be extending it. Like, yeah, I need to like take off work from like because it needs to be like 15 days placement, and I need to work, and I need to work, go to class, do the placement all at the same time. So I need to like lay them all out so that stuff doesn't clash with each other, you know? I did talk to my employer about it, and he was okay with it. Um, yeah, I don't know. Hopefully all goes well. I can't really change anything on my schedule now because the placement starts like supposedly it starts this week, but I moved it a bit to like next week. But if I change something else, I don't think I'll be able to like do anything anymore. So I just yeah. So we might not do like midstream. Oh my gosh, for like 5 weeks maybe I'll just do like weekend streams, like Friday, Saturday. Mhm. But who knows? Maybe we can do like random Monday. I don't know. W boss. He's really I don't know why he's really chill with it. He's really okay with it. No. Then but you know what? The thing is, do you guys take leave? Are you guys one of those employees who like just randomly take leaves? I I've been working on my current job for like I think turning turning I think turning 2 years now, or turning 3 years. Oh wait, no, 2 years. Yeah, I'm turning 2 years now. And last year, I barely used I don't think I remember a time where I actually used an annual leave. I used to never take time off. Same. I'm unemployed. Okay, the thing is, yeah. Okay, here's the thing. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna dox myself, but in my job, um, my parents is a bit involved with like the thingy with my job, and if I don't go to work, I can't really lie to them and be like I can't lie and be like, hey, I something's happening and all that because they know what's happening in my work. So that's just to let you know what's happened, like the reason why I can't just take my time off. Okay, the thing is, if I take my time off and I just stay at home, my mom will be like, my mom will be like, what are you doing at home? Why are you not at work? You know what I mean? Mhm. So they forced me to take PTO. What is PTO? I ended up finding a new job during that vacation. Oh, is PTO like forced vacation, like forced leave? Oh my gosh, hi, Binsu, welcome, welcome. Nowadays, I just take a day off once in a while. What if I really don't? While if I why? Oh, if I really don't feel. Oh my gosh, I can't read. I see. What if they're the owners and they're just testing it to learn? No, no, no. Paid time off. Oh, hi Binsu. Hi Binsu. They said you have X amount of time to use if before you use it. I see. I see. Like I said, I barely use it. I've never used it because the thing is, we don't really. Okay, how do I even explain it? If I do take a leave, there's really nothing I could do. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'll just stay at home, maybe rest. And you know what I'll do? Maybe I'll just play games. That's it. Or do random shit. And like if my mom saw that, she'll just be like, why are you here? Why are you not working? Like you're just wasting your leave and stuff like that. So I'd rather just go to work. Stream long times. I mean, my parents don't like me streaming, so I don't think I could do that, to be honest. I don't think me streaming longer time is a good excuse to take a leave at work. Um, so yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. At least, oh, you know what I hate with like taking like working in Australia? Um, during Christmas breaks, we are forced to like use our leave. So like, so like, um, Use your paid leave wisely. You know what? I'm trying to do that, but to be honest, there's really nothing for me to do even if I take a leave, so I just go to work. They'll probably throw you out touch grass if you did take a leave. They'll probably hmm. Nah, you know what they'll do? They'll just question why I'm not at work, and they'll think I'm just wasting my time. That's what they'll do. I hate typing in mobile. You know what? For some reason, for me, it's easier to type on mobile. That's why sometimes when I'm chatting, if I know like I'm gonna be chatting for a bit with that person, I'm gonna move to my phone because it's just much easier to type. Oh my gosh, hi Gio, welcome, welcome. Hi Gio, hi Gio. Good good morning. Hi Jojo. How's your day? Yeah, I save it for a holiday so I can extend the long weekends. Yeah, but we're forced to use it during holidays. Like during Christmas break, we're forced to use it. So like no, but how many hours do you even accumulate for like leave? I'm not, you know what? I'm not even sure how many leaves do I have. But with my with how I counted it, I need like 9 days of leave to finish my 15-day placement. In mobile, I have to fight autocorrects and I'm not used to typing. Then just remove autocorrects. Remove autocorrects and then put the thingy at the top, like the what do you call that? Um, like the prediction at the top. I get 3 weeks, I think. Oh, I'm not sure how. I'm not sure how many leaves do I have right now. But I think it will cover like this 9 days. The only problem is that next Christmas, I think have um I won't have enough days maybe, which really sucks. I'm not sure. Maybe I need to like talk to HR about that. Can't use smartphone. Remember old? Yeah, he's old. He's like ancient. Very, very ancient. My old job, I accrued it overtime, and this job they give it to you. Oh, yeah, my job now. Um, yeah, I I earn it like overtime. Keyboard settings. It's what do you mean? It's a compliment for you. Being called old is a compliment? Nah, nah. You know what? Those people who are young, they feel like being called old is a compliment. Nah, that's when you know you're. Oh wait, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I'm 18. Most people would think I'm a kid. You are a kid. You're like kid, young Dio. My week is like, you know what? My week is just me sitting on my PC, my work, and then just hearing about the lady, my other my colleague yap about random shit. That's just like my regular day, every day, 3 days before our how do you call that? Before our Wednesday stream. Why we have a baby here? Can't relate with the convo right now. I'm still stuck in college hell for the next 2 years. I mean, I'm still in uni. Old baby. God, this feels so cinematic for some reason. Okay, you know why? Because of the because of the bars. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm trying to revamp the other one as well, like the classroom one. We're trying to revamp that one. I think this is like a really good template for it. I tried. You know what? I tried putting like falling leaves at the background, but bro, it just everything lagged. So I think we will be able to do that thingy. But you know what? I think this looks good. I think this looks nice. I'm pretty proud of like what we did here. Toriwako on bottom actually fades and gets back. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It's very, um, it's really nice actually. It's like those thingo, those I don't know. I don't know how to call it. It's like those Japanese horror films, horror series. But know that to get hired for a nice job back here in Philippines, there's a lot of things you need to acquire, including a college diploma. Oh, yeah. I've seen I've seen that one job application, no, job, what do you call that? Job posting. Well, like they're looking for like a cashier, and I think you need to be like college graduate. You need to have like 3 years experience and shit. Like, hello, this is a like an entry level job. Why do you need that much requirement? Oh my gosh, hi Feather, welcome. Are you talking about your no, this one. Talk about this one. The fading Toriwako here. It's shit here. You need a lot of stuff. Yeah, I'm um I mean, you know what? That's actually in like most places anyway, even here in Australia. The only reason why I got this job and why I really try to like, what do you call this? Really like try to keep this job is it's really hard to get a job here if you don't have like connections. And the only reason why I got it is because the previous owner was a close family friend, but he doesn't own it anymore. And we actually stopped talking to him. So if I do leave this job, it's very difficult for me to get like another one. So no matter how shit it is sometimes, I just try to like, you know what I mean? But yeah. It's a, you know what? It's actually like the job isn't that bad. The only thing that's really like bugging me off is like like first off, my colleague, like the lady who I'm always with in the office. Other one is like just the repetitive task. Like imagine you're in like an office every day doing the same thing for like 8 hours. Like I know for some people that's like, oh, that's such a good thing. Like, comparing like I know comparing that to like a laborer's job, of course I'd rather pick the office job than like doing something like really, really physically straining. But bro, it's just too much mental load to be honest. Now I know parents in law own that shit. No, they don't own it, but um yeah. That's like the only problem with it. It's just a very repetitive task. And like too much paperwork as well, because it's an office. It's not even paperwork. Oh wait, documenting. Yeah, that's the thing, documenting. Um, and then sometimes you'll deal with like people who are like people who lacks common sense, and it just really tests you. But I actually have like high tolerance with people like that. People who have like like low common sense. Um, but sometimes they really just piss you off, and yeah. Is it paperwork if it's a soft copy? What do you mean? It's still paperwork. You're still typing it. High tolerance, you say? No, okay, no kidding. I really do have like a high tolerance with those kind of people. How do I how do I prove it to you guys? How do I show you guys that I actually have like high tolerance with people who lacks common sense? Okay, except for my brother. I can, for some reason, I can tolerate other people. But when it comes to my brother, bro, it pisses me off so much. I don't know why. You know what? Sometimes because sometimes I feel like it's like um what do you call that? Weaponized incompetence sometimes, and it just pisses me off. Oh my gosh, hi Abby, welcome, welcome. That's part of being an introvert. Which one? Talk with yourself? What do you mean talk with myself? That's what they're there for? Siblings know how to piss you off. Oh, wow, they do. You know why? You know why they know how to like push your buttons? Because they're the one who created that button. You know what I mean? Like, oh my gosh. And like the thing is, I actually have like a very high, oh, very not a very high, very far gap, far age gap with my brother. And you would think, oh, you have a far age gap. You will surely you guys will like get along together. Because you know, you have like you're like because I'm like 10 years older than my brother, by the way. Bro, he like we never, how do I explain this? We never get along at all. Since when does this grandma have hands? I've always had hands. What do you mean? Hi Stratus, welcome, welcome. You're the only low IQ person here? Anyways. Hi Stratus, welcome, welcome. Welcome in, welcome in. How are you doing? How's your morning? um um I think because of that, like I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. Wow, that hit the spot. Not we all dumb, but I mean, I never said I'm smart. Deleted that? I didn't delete anything. What do you mean? I didn't delete anything. What? What? Who deleted that? What? Hi, Tolerance. Hi, Glow. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Is it. Actually, I don't know what's your time zone, Glow. Is it morning or time? Evening or time? But anyway, hello, hello. No, I really do. For other people, not for my sibling. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. I think it's also because I'm non-confrontational. That's why I just try to I try to like just tolerate them. You know what I mean? Mm. I'm very bad at confronting people. I'm very bad at talking to people actually. I'd rather talk to them calmly. You know what? That's the reason why me and my colleague at work is like so different because she's very confrontational. That's part of being an introvert. No, like she's very confrontational. Like if there's something that she doesn't like, she'll like openly say it and she'll openly talk about it and be like, "Oh, like I don't deserve this. Like I need to do something with this. Like you need to do something with this. You need to fix this. You need to do that and you need to like, you know, do this and that." As for me, I'll just if I can like if I can like not make myself be like a burden to others, I'll just keep myself shut up at the corner. You know what I mean? Can't do anything even if I try to confront them. You can't even talk to people. I don't confront people ever. I don't even talk to people. You should pin. No, don't, bro. You guys already know to do the hello. Don't worry, don't worry. Um, yeah, no, yeah, no. I am. Oh, bro, I can hear my brother outside, bro. Imagine he's listening to me and he's like, "Oh my gosh," you know, he'll snitch me to our mom and be like, "Oh my gosh, sister Wako is talking shit about me on her stream." Just say you hate me, gang. We do. I'm kidding. But yeah, double down. What do you mean? I'll just fix. I'm trying to like think of like examples of, you know, even me. staying with that colleague for like, I don't know, how many months have she been with us? Like 6 months now, I think. I think. So that's November, January, February, March, April, May, June. Oh, yeah, like 6 months actually. And like I slowly learned how to like ride with her attitude. You know what I mean? Clip. Fuck this shit. You can even clip on mobile. You actually can. Gotta go. Have a great day. And I ever see you. We're not ovulating. Bye, Novitsky. Have a good day, Novitsky. Bye 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 bye. Thank you so much for hanging out. Bye 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 bye. We're gonna have, like I said, guys, we're gonna have a very short stream. I actually don't have a morning. I just realized I don't have a morning class tomorrow. But if I don't finish my paper tonight, I'll be finishing it tomorrow morning in uni. So I might need to go to uni like at the same time, maybe. I don't know. Or maybe like 10. I'll be happy if you end early. Time to do like 24-hour stream. Time to do a long stream today. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For the first time. It's overall. This bitch. Bro, where are you even right now? Like, well, what do you, when you, no, I meant, I know you said you're in your village, but I actually, like, what do you mean your village? What does that mean? Like, you're not at home? Is that what you're trying to say? Or, that's nice. If you're, like, out touching grass. Touching. For the first time, I want you to end early. Then we're not ending early. We're gonna stream for, like, 5 hours, 6 hours. I'm kidding. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna lag for a bit. I'm just opening something. Guys, doesn't the Fugi looks really nice? I'm gonna use this when I play games now. If I like if it's like really lagging, we can switch to a Fugi. Yeah, I really like this Fugi. Stream for another 6 hours? What do I do? What do I play? Oh, I'm planning to. Oh, you know what? On Friday, I'm planning to play like the. I don't know what you call that, to be honest. Like the hammer game. Usually, people in India have W house sometimes because some people who were from village and then shift to city build house from their family. Like, oh, and then you come back. Sometimes you visit. Rookie numbers stream for 12 hours more. We'll do like a 24 hours, like starting now. We'll end tomorrow, 11 p.m. Who are the people like streaming right now anyway? I feel like, Loki, I feel like there's really not that much people streaming right now. For my following, at least. Ba ba barrow pow. Ba ba barrow pow. Ba ba barrow pow. You should try playing the barking dog game if you know about it. What is the barking dog game? Yeah, we visit the main home sometimes when we are doing some kind of event. Oh, I'm touching grass farm. See the images on real. Oh, Naruhodo. Wait, let me have a look. In real life pics. Oh, I see. That's nice. I'll send a clip in the server later. You should check it. I see. Is it like, okay, first thing is first. Is it is it a heavy game? I feel like I need to ask that all the time before I actually buy them. Because you know why? I played Enshrouded with Yura. Bro, my PC was like barely there. It's like barely surviving. But you know what? I'm still surprised that it can play Enshrouded. That's still a W. I was still able to like do like it didn't lag at all. Judging by how it looks, pretty sure it's not heavy since it's made out of PNG and stuff. Oh, then I mean, you never know. You never know. Wait, you know what? I feel like I'm trying to remember like what game before when I downloaded it, like when I tried to like look at it on other people's game, like other people's stream, I'm like, you know what? That's not even that heavy. That should be fine. And then when I downloaded it, bro, it barely it's barely moving on my end. I can't remember which one, but there's like multiple games that are like that. Oh, I think Repo was one of them. And then you know what? That's when I realized that games that are like what do you call it? Friend slop games. Yeah, friend slop games are like really really heavy. Because I was thinking like, oh, you know what? Repo isn't even that like. There's really not that much happening in Repo. You're just getting stuff, this and that. There's really not that much explosion. Unlike Overwatch, you know, like high graphics thingy. For some reason, Repo lags, but Overwatch doesn't lag. There are open sands in the backside. Oh, is that the one that you from the picture that you sent? This is the backside. Oh, bro, this looks like a farm. This actually looks cool. Oh my gosh, hi, Miss. Welcome, welcome. Hi, Miss. Good morning. Good morning, Miss. How was your sleep? I did say it was a farm. Oh, my bad. Okay, let's see what Binny sent. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's so loud. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. I can't change the sound. Bro, why this freaking Discord give like two unskippable ads? What is this game, bro? Wait, I'm just trying to look at the game that oh my gosh. The flashing light in this game is just I woke up 3 hours ago. Three still sent me on video call with Japan for proofreading the friend English dog. I see, I see. Have a good lurk, miss. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you, thank you. I hope you have fun proofreading documents. Guys, I stopped playing games. The only game that I started playing again is Overwatch. Like I think I stopped playing Overwatch for like a few days. And then I played it again yesterday because I was trying to procrastinate with my paper and like hi kitten, welcome, welcome. Play Marble Rivals. Bro, Marble Marble Rivals just freaking kills my PC. So we can enter those greater tournaments. Oh my gosh. I don't think my skills my bruh. I don't think my skills can be used for like tournaments. Marber Rivers. You have skills? Okay, fuck you, bro. You're such a meanie. Why are you so mean? It's okay, we'll get a friend to carry you. It's okay, Tori, we play for the vibes. We play for the vibes. I mean, I play for the vibes too. Oh, you know what? A new I'm so distracted of the Tori with the lollipop. How are you doing? Not too bad, not too bad. Pretty tired from work, but you know what? We're chill. We're chill tonight. Bro, imagine an actual 6v6. What is a TDM game with marbles? You ever play for Miss Vibes? For the Miss Vibes? Okay, buddy. Okay. Team Deathmatch? Oh, I see, I see. I don't know why, but like The last time I played Marvel Rivals, I was like, nah, this ain't for me. I don't like fake gamer. I am, bro. What do you mean? I never said I was a gamer. Like the third person of Marvel Rivals is just meh. Yeah. I don't know. If my PC's not dying whenever I open it, maybe I'll try it. Not a gamer? I'm not a gamer. What do you mean? I never said I'm a gamer. I'm just a yapper. I just yap. Not a gamer for okay. You guys don't need to like shove it on my face. Okay, I'm not a gamer. My bad. I'm a fake gamer. Um the only game I play is lads. Oh my gosh, I just remember. Speaking of lads, someone did someone put Zane, Dr. Zane on their Tomodachi Life Island. It's really cute. I'm doubting your laptop can run Engine 5. I missed you by the way. Wait, we're not on Ducky's stream. I'm also on Ducky's stream. What do you mean? Not a gamer? Okay, buddy. Anyways. In this economy, not a gamer. Welcome to the fraud watch list. You guys are so mean, Like, I thought we played for the vibes, guys. I was lurking, so I didn't see you. I mean, to be fair, I was also lurking. I just, I just have him on my tab. I was also doing like random shit. Of course, Miss Vibes. No, Toei only plays games with her e-boys. I do actually. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, can we like not start the e-boy talk tonight? Come on, come on. We were starting really good. We were like being very cozy, being very. You know what I mean? Can we like too late? Okay, no. She played with Z Creed, didn't she? I never played with Creed. What do you mean? The only game that I played with him was VR chat and Schedule One. He's an e-boy too. Your reputation is cooked. You think this should ever play anything with me? Yeah. You played Schedule One. Okay, to be fair, we didn't play. We were like yapping. We just used Schedule One as like a medium, okay? Wait. Soft boy. He bombed people in that game. No, I did parkour and made her yap. Okay. Okay, that's barely playing. Exactly. That's not even playing. That's just anyways. Anyways. Meow 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 meow. You did the Lord's work. Yeah, you made her open up. You buddy, you're not playing. What do you mean? You were like wasting our money. You were like using it in casinos and you're like using the drugs. Making drugs in the back. Okay, buddy. Okay. Okay, sure. Um, 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 um. Maybe on Friday we play Schedule One on stream. I'm thinking if we should. You know what? I'm thinking if we should play Plants vs Zombie. I look at want to finish that game, or we should play Schedule One, or we should play the. Wait, I actually can't open my. I can't open my Hold on, what do you call that? I can't open my Steam. We might play what do you call this? Getting over it. Getting over it. I want to play that game. How did Plants vs Zombie go? We finished until I think the pool. Oh no, no. We didn't finish the pool. We ended when the pool thingy started. Rage game. Yeah, she alone was making drugs. No, he wasn't. He was using it. You're not gonna get over it? What do you mean getting over it? Sounds familiar. Yeah, it's like the what do you call that? Like the axe going up game. That's literally what I search on Google. Axe going up game. Getting over it. You gotta play the egg game. I wanted to play the egg game. Oh, the axe one. Yeah, the axe one. Bro, I want to play the egg game too. What should we play? Should we play the guys? I got paid today. I got paid today. Yeah, that one. That one. Do we play egg game? Play them all, bro? No, we can only play like one. Come on. Either we play axe or egg. I mean, I don't think I'll finish any game anyway. I don't think I'll finish the axe nor the egg. I feel like we won't even have like a goal. We won't do like, if we need to finish this like today or stuff like that. Because I feel like if I do that, we'll be streaming for like 6 hours. Oh my gosh, hi Daddy. Oh my gosh, hi hi. Hello hello. So what we'll do is maybe do it for like 3 hours. And then if we don't finish it for 3 hours, we just end stream. We're literally just gonna use it for like background visual. What about baby steps? Oh wait, is baby steps like the adult guy trying to like I'm trying to say the cake up guy? Is that the adult guy that can't walk properly? Like you need to like slowly help him walk. Is that yeah? Oh my gosh. These are just all rage games. I think another rage game that I played before was the tree thing. I didn't finish that one, by the way. What are we talking about? Just games, just random games that we might play. Because I'm planning to play getting what do you call that? Wait, what do you call that? What do you call that? Getting over it on Friday. Jump King. What is this? Is this another rage game? Oh, this game. Wait, this is a rage game? I've seen other people play this. Isn't this like two player? Or can you play it for Can you play it solo? I hate rage games. Hi John, welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Welcome in, John. Oh, wait. That's not supposed to be there. What? Oh, wait, who followed? Hi Frisk, welcome, welcome. How are you doing? You appeared in my Twitch feed. Wow. Welcome, Frisk. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the After School Club, and thank you for the first time chat. Pogo stock rage with your friends. Oh my gosh, hi God. Hello God. Hi John, hi God, hi Frisk. Thank you for the head pat. Paxton, Crazy Patrick. Pogo stock. Man, are we going in that rage game path? Is that what we're trying to do? Is that what we're gonna be doing in this channel? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry to be late today also. No, what do you mean late? Hi Swaru, welcome. At least you can rage with friends. If I Shield, will you play with me if we play Pogo? Okay, who wants to play? No, not just Shield, but who wants to play Pogo Stuck with me? How many players is this? I need to like check first. I need to check first if my PC can handle it, bro. Hell nah, good luck with that. Never heard of it. How do you head pat? Twitch told me redeems are turned off. You just put exclamation point head pat? It's a command. Because we don't have yeah, like that. There's there's a cooldown though. Like I think a minute cooldown. Just so that it doesn't overlap with the the thingo. I'm at a village, so that's why not mobile network here. Oh, I see, I see. Pico Park. You guys don't want to see how I play Pico Park. I played Pico Park once with Shield. Man, I was so dumb, bro. Actually, no, you know what? It's actually not that bad. Like Pico Park isn't that bad. Like for two players, was no, it's not bad. Like for two players, it's not bad. It's actually good. It's actually like me and Shield, we had like really great teamwork. He was just doing the work. There's also that golf game. Is that the golf with Sorry, is it the golf with friends or is it the new one? Like the my condolences, Shield. Hi, Gojo. Hi, Gojo. Welcome. Thank you for the first time chat. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Super Battle Golf. Oh yeah, that one. Pico Park is land only bit. Oh no, it's not. It's not like land only, but like, cause me and Shield are not like close to each other. We're just in the same state. We need to do it with like 5 to 6 people. Oh my gosh. Super Battle's the new one. I don't think my laptop can handle that. Because even golf with friends, it's not like working. Girl, when are you going to show you play Minecraft? Do you guys want me to play Minecraft? Guys, I'm so bad at Minecraft. And you guys might think, what do you mean you're so bad at Minecraft, Tori? Well, you literally just play, like, you just place blocks. You just mine. Guys, I don't know how to build. I don't even know the blocks. I don't know them. If you tell me like, hey, do this, like do that, and like get this and get that, I have no idea. I'll have like wiki on my side to check it. Do you play Minecraft? I actually do play Minecraft before, but you forgot how I couldn't join. Okay, I forgot about that. Thoughts on Chain Together? Chain Together. Oh my gosh, if we could play that. The lollipop PNG thing? How does one be bad at Minecraft exactly? I know you guys will ask that. Um, but, but, I'm just bad. Like, okay, listen, okay, if I play Minecraft, what do I do? I feel like I need someone. I haven't even played vanilla Minecraft properly. I've only played vanilla. But I've never beaten the Ender Dragon, like never. Because you know what I do in Minecraft? I just make house. I just make my house, and then after I make my house, that's it. I don't even build anything. Obviously, you beat the dragon. Yeah, I don't know how to beat it. Okay, I don't know, bruh. You're not bad, or you're just a beginner, so don't worry. We don't mind it, girl. Bruh, same. Okay, you know what? Maybe some of these days we're playing Minecraft. Oh my gosh, God, yeah, God, can you do you see this? Look, if I talk, it stops. And then if I don't talk. It's so cute, yeah. You beat Minecraft by getting allegations. So have you beaten it, Creed? I never even probably built a house in Minecraft. Beautiful. I don't think I had like a Minecraft face before. I only Okay. Okay. Can we like this is why we should allow bullying again, guys. This is why mm. Anyways. Anyways. Okay. I had like a Minecraft phase before. I think I played like this is like COVID era, by the way. Um but like thinking about it now, I don't think I did anything. I think what I did was just mine, make bases, mine, and then make bases, and that's it. Why are you never gone? And I have online class and exam in 15 minutes. Bye bye. Sorry. Good luck in your exam. Bye. Thank you so much for hanging out. Bye bye. You're right. We should bully you. Wow, God. Wow. Why would you say that? Wow. Damn. I also have to leave. Bye bye, Hidori. Thank you so much for hanging out. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hi, Meow Meows. Hi, Roger. Welcome in. I need to Never mind. You know what? It's okay. Should we go into our I was gonna join Cobblemon, Kato's Cobblemon, but I just gave up, bro. I was trying to like get the what do you call that? Like the other what do you call that? Like the wait, what do you even call that? Mods. Wait, is that was it mods? What do you call the thing that you put on like you put on Minecraft to make it look different? Oh my god, guy, help me. Help me, guys. Mods, yes, okay, mods. I tried to download that. Like the ones that the friend gave us, was like he was like, yeah, put this, put that, add this and that, and like I tried doing that. Bro, when I played it, skill issue, maybe it is okay, bro. Maybe okay, listen. I don't know why. I'm like so challenged. Like I'm so technologically challenged nowadays, guys. I don't know why. Well, I tried. I really tried. I tried like what 3 times because I really want to play with everyone. It's just not working. And then I just what playing Overwatch does to a motherfucker. No, it's not that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I found your replica. What replica? Yeah. Then yeah. I just gave up. Kisa was even like Kisa was like what do you call that? Like do you want to like we can like do a call so I can help you. I was like, "No. You know what? It's okay, bro. I it's okay. I don't even want to play. I don't even want to play anyway. It's okay." So if we do play, we're just gonna play like the vanilla one cuz that way I don't need to add stuff. I haven't been in Cobblemon server for like 2 weeks. Yeah, cause isn't that like how long Kato's been out? So you've never played since he left? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Minecraft will be fun. What do we do? What if we just join like a random SMP and then we just try to like meet each other there? Cause Tori's too broke to like get like an actual server. Minecraft sounds good, dude. Let's play together. Bro, be spending money to keep the server up. Bro, how expensive is like making a server? Also, I don't think I have like the mental knowledge. I don't think I can manage a server, so I don't even think that I'll do that in the future. It's five. Wait, was it $5? Was it like five? Wasn't it like $16 like every month? Bro, that's like so expensive. That's like as expensive as a turbo. Oh wait, yeah, as expensive as like a turbo subscription. I think he's spending like 30 a month. Bro, that's so expensive. Damn. I'm sorry, but I'm going to go because my phone is acting really stupid right now. But I'll see you later. Bye, Tori. Bye, 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 John. Thank you so much for hanging out. Bye, 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 bye. Thank you for being here. Bye, 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 bye. Take care. How computer literate are you? When you meant computer literate, like, does that mean like how do I know like the parts, or like how do I like if I know how to access stuff? Because if it's like the parts, bro, I have no idea. But I know how to use a computer, okay? Like I know how to find my way. It's really just that me trying to figure out like new stuff. Like for example, Minecraft server. I don't know how to do that. Like I'm gonna be honest, I don't know anything about that. So if we're gonna do like a Minecraft server, I'll like make other people do it, like manage it for us. You can host your own world for people to join. Oh, but don't you need to like, what's the shortcut for vaulting tech? Control B. What do you mean? This is like the basic ones. Oh my gosh. How to use a computer is your new stuff. Hi, forehead. Welcome, welcome. As long as you're online in that world, the others can join as well. Yeah, what if my PC die, huh? What if the laptop just kabooms while we're all playing? I'm a computer worm, I can help with these things. Uh-huh. Hosting a server can be tedious and a lot for some. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I am a geek. Okay, actually. Actually, I'm a geek. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Hi, Wolfie. Welcome, welcome. Hello, 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 Wolfie. Welcome in. How are you doing? How's your day? Yeah, Kisa deals with all the MC server stuff. Yeah. I feel like if we do that, I'll get someone who can like just do everything for us. So we can just like have fun, like, you know. I don't want to like deal with like those technical stuff, please. Let's help her with her own Minecraft SMP. It's so like expensive to pay for the server though, no? How you been, Tori? Not too bad. Day's okay. It's just pretty tiring, but it's okay. We shouldn't call it SMP. She won't even play for more than a week. I will. Will this be like a 2 week like Minecraft phase, and then suddenly we'll just suddenly stop and just not use it anymore, and then we'll close it, and then we'll have like a Minecraft phase again, and then we'll reopen it. $3 pay for that, dude. Don't worry. Wow, wow. Yeah, I know you. No, no, no. Listen. I may have stopped playing NTE. I may have stopped playing Where Winds Meet, and maybe stopped with what other games do I even play? Yeah, those two. But I still play Overwatch. I'm very I'm very loyal to Overwatch. You even forgot. Oh, you stopped? No, those are the only two that I stopped. What do you mean? Also, I would like to warn you, if you host your own world on your PC, you need to be careful because people can dox your location. Wait, really? I didn't know that. I didn't know that. What? How will they find it? Yeah, that issue, the IP can be tracked. I think. Oh, Naruhodo. I see. I see. So if we do that, we need to like ask someone to do it for us. Is that how it is? Also, guys, let's look for someone to raid because we're gonna be ending in like 30 minutes. I told you, very fast stream. Pretty sure Australian IP functions slightly different to American IPs. Oh, I didn't. To be honest, I didn't know that. I can dox. Well, you shouldn't. Even if you can, you shouldn't. We need a security system like Linux. Let me just look at some stuff. Dio. Do you guys have like any plans for the rest of the week? My only plan is to survive, to be honest. Survive until Friday. But like that's it. Submit my paper, finish my paper, that's it. Survive. Who would care about my location? A lot of people. Made some food and Toey's getting ready to leave. I mean, no, we're gonna yap for a bit, but yeah. True, but it's another thing. I know your location. Hi, God. God's been here for like 30 minutes now. No? I'll be happy if they know location. I need friends. Okay, buddy. What if those people who knows your location are not there to make friends with you, huh? What if they you know, they have like bad motives. Yeah, yeah. I was looking when she when he first joined. Oh, the scatter. She's preparing the low card as well. Not yet. I'm interested your inner value. Okay, inner value. I see. Your organs. The people that find your location don't want to be friends. Exactly. Like even if you do want to be friends, but that's how people get like, bro. That's like how people gets into those what do you call that? Those true crime thingy. Because some of them they just want to be friends, but those people who befriended them actually don't want to be friends. They have like different motives. You have a new package in the mail? What? Nah, no, 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 no. Let's be friends, nah. You had some of those Spotify ones? What do you mean Spotify ones? Guys, okay. I have a question. This is just something that I just realized now. What's the weirdest way that you guys tried making friends? And I know you guys will be like, make friends? I never make friends. I never try to make friends. Is there like a very, very weird way for you guys to make friends? Like even before make friends. I don't have friends. Oh my gosh. I know you guys will be like, what? I don't make friends. What? Friends, what are those? Okay. Wow. Friends? Oh my gosh. Well, surely you guys have like one or two friends. Come on. Come on. Oh, whoa, pipe bomb. Ignore the fertilizer smell. I'm trying to like think of like how I made a friend with someone before. I think the weirdest way that I made a friend is it's not really weird, but the autism in me was recognized by another and it just worked. I did have, but they moved to another city and I'm the only one who message every time. Oh my gosh, hi Palowist, welcome. You know the thing with like messaging, like some people will be like, okay, the thing is, like some people will be like, oh, I'm the one who actually reaches out. I'm the one who like do this and that. And so you would think like, oh, okay, so this person actually wants to like have like a just a friend to be with them. And then when you actually do that, they do the same thing that other people do like to them, you know what I mean? Like they're literally projecting the thing that people are doing to them. And it makes you wonder like does this person actually want to be friends? And then you know what I'll do? I'll just like slowly stop talking to them. I sent them an anonymous question asking if it curves left. Shut up, bro. Would you rather big things smaller or small things? Huh? Small things bigger? I would rather die in Minecraft. I'm kidding. I would rather have. I don't know, man. I feel like I need context and like what do I want to be smaller and what do I want to be bigger. Also, hi Binny. Oh my gosh, it's Binny. Hi, welcome, welcome. By the way, your phone sounds like a phone call. Wait, really? Wait, does my mic sounds bad? Do I need to like unplug it and plug it again? Do we consider chat friends? Guy messaged me as this first. Hey, you're the guy who was barking in that one video. Can we get so what the fuck? Wait, so this guy befriended you because you were barking. I see, I see. That's interesting. In what world is this bad? Oh, wait. Oh, thank you for the follow, Son. Oh my gosh, it's Goku. Welcome, welcome, Son Goku. Thank you, thank you. Welcome to the After School Club. Your mic on DC sounds bad, but here fine. I think it's because I low-key fixed it now. I don't remember it no subs me too, Dory. I removed it, Minnie. How have you been? Not too bad. Pretty chill day. How have you been, Binny? How is your day? How's your Valo games? Your mic sounds atrocious. Oh my gosh, hi Biff, welcome in. Your thing, the cylinder and the cylinder. You cool girl. Oh my gosh, hi Son Goku. Thank you for the first time chat. Welcome in. So is my can you guys like let me know? Does my mic sound, you know what? Hold on. Hello, 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 hello. Whoever mic that mic this mic. Okay, it sounds okay. It sounds okay, bitch. Whoever said my mic sounds bad, I'm gonna shove Chikawa up your ass. I don't know, you sound okay. Thank you. Thank you. I've heard someone said before. Actually, never mind. It sounds bad. No, no. I've heard someone says before, like, how they made friends was like true forums. Reaching out, like true forums, like they will just like chat on forums and then they'll just talk to people there. I'm okay. I wanted to tune into your stream more because I met you like a long time ago, but you stream early in the morning for me. Yeah, I think I've followed you before as well, but I keep on missing your stream. It sounds like you're on the other side of a phone call. This is extension of the girlfriend ASMR. Time zone's fucking me up. Same. That's the problem with like the people that I watch in the morning. Like I can't like you know, sometimes I can't interact with them when I'm doing like when I'm free at night. Or like when I'm free at night, I can't I can't talk to people. Anyways, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyways. I lost my train of thought. Bro, what phone calls are you having? I still don't DM anybody. Daddy ASMR on the phone. Maybe you're on the phone call. Are you maybe like using a different speaker? Maybe? Me and Celine have been DM since last year? Oh my gosh, bro. To be fair, I also don't DM people that much. I have a very, what do I call it? Is bro watching on one or more P? Might be their headphones. Yeah, maybe it's the headphone. Who is Celine? Celine is Kato's other henchman. Celine is Kato's other mod. That I was gonna steal as well. I was about to steal her, but I realized I shouldn't steal all his mods because I'll wait. How many mods did I stole already? I already stole like 2 mods. Stealing mods? Yeah, I stole shield from him. I don't DM as long as it's not absolutely necessary. The screenshot she sent you of our convo is all we said to each other. Oh my gosh. I like wanted to tune in way earlier, but I can't for a bit because in the morning I get ready for classes. Oh, no, same. I have like work in the morning instead. Steal, huh? I only reply, I never DM first. That's why I have no friends. Surely you have friends. Come on, like come on. See how happily she is saying I stole mods? Really, this is a written necessity. Have you read it necessary? I like reading stuff wrongly. Stupid time zones, bro. Yeah. Bro, what is this song we're listening to? This sounds really nice. I like this one. Oh wait, shit, it's not that one. That's why I got no friends. I'm gonna get ready for class. Thank you so much for hanging out, Vinny. Bye 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 bye. Good luck in your class. Is music playing? Oh my gosh, you guys can't hear it? Okay, let me crank it up. Music is really low. Bro, I was like vibing. It's really nice. Oh shit. My bad, gang. There we go. Anyway, you shouldn't do it at this point. What do you mean I shouldn't do it at this point? What point? What are you saying? I suddenly went deaf. I was asking Zeger that he shouldn't read my DM. I mean, to be fair, if the DM is something... Okay, listen. If the DM is something that you shouldn't really... What is it? Like, it's hard for you to reply to. I feel like I also just inbox those chats, to be honest. Oh my gosh, hi Shiny Pikachu. Welcome, welcome. Hi Shiny, hi Shiny. You guys want to know how to talk to people on DM? Here's what you do, yeah? When you reply to them, give them something to grab on. Give them something to talk about. So for example, if you just say like very vague stuff like I don't know. I don't even know what kind of what I don't even know what sample to give. But if you gave like very vague responses to them and you don't ask them about something, just ask question exactly. People, okay, this is the thing is, yeah, the thing is, people love talking about themselves. If you ask them a question about something that they're interested in, for example, you ask them about like hobbies and shit, or like stuff that they're good at, or stuff that they really like, they will yap about it. Something that is like, you know, piques their interest. I barely even replied to Kato. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will talk about e-boys. Should I ask him if it curves left or right? You might get blocked. So I should send them pics of Yai Miko's toes. Who is this? Let me check. Let me check. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Or be wrong about something so they have to correct you. That actually works. That works sometimes. Oh my gosh, hi Snurvy. Welcome, welcome. Are you... Did you just woke up? Good morning to you. But if you're DMing your friend, then just tell them fuck you. I mean, I have a friend before who's like who always says that. It's low-key annoying to be honest. Should I send gay porn as first message? Okay, buddy, that wasn't my first. There was a context to that. Nah, shut up. But it worked for you asking if it curves left or right. There needs. Okay, never mind. It worked for one person. Yes, works every time. The Wako Tech. In Toei case, it kind of did. Can someone do that again to someone? Can you guys like try doing that? Like just send like just ask them does it curve to the left or right and then send them like a gay porn manga. And can you guys like let me know if you guys like you know if they try to like you see what I mean? If they won't block you, we'll report back in a few business days. Okay, let me know, man. Good morning. No, I'm going to a doctor's appointment. Oh, good luck with that, Snurby. Hi, Vera. Welcome and thank you for the first time chat. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Yaoi manga? Yes, yaoi manga. Incoming wait, what Twitter was call outs? No. Why the first one I heard this gay corn? I don't know, man. Chat's being weird tonight. How are you, Tori? Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. How are you, Snurby? How is your sleep? Okay, so I... Okay, so wait. So I asked that then send the Venom Toji Tumblr. But the Venom Toji Tumblr fic isn't yaoi. It's a straight fic. This is ironic. This is the only time I get to be in a girl's phone. Hi, Ghost Boy. Welcome in. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Thank you for the first time chat. Blame Wako? Okay, no, we're not making that a thing. It's a conversation starter. It really is. Tonight it's 10 a.m. It's 11 p.m. for me. Almost 12, actually. Hey, how are you doing, Ghost Boy? Um, yeah, try doing that and then let me know if that works for everyone or does it only works for people who fumbles, yeah? Does that tech only works for people who fumbles a lot and people who are it looks like Tori's giving us. I'm doing great, that's good. I'm incredibly rested. How strange just never happens. I see, I see. Well, I'm glad you're feeling good. Where you basically just repeat keywords back at people when they talk to you. Have you ever heard of solid snake method of talking? Are you I don't think I've ever done that, to be honest, but maybe I unconsciously do it. 11 p.m. So must be in Australia, Japan. Yes, I am in Australia right now. Stop recording. I didn't give you consent. I'm not recording. I'm looking at your chat. Repeat keywords back at people. I heard of that. Isn't that just like basically mirroring people? It's still only 9:50 a.m. 54 a.m. where I'm at. Oh. Good morning to you, Ghost Boy. Good morning, good morning. I'm glad that you decided to join in early morning. So they know you're listening to them. Oh, you know what? I think I do that. Sometimes okay, listen. When I'm on a call with some okay, let me they're probably not lurking anyway. When I'm on a call with friends, sometimes I zone out. And I just mimic like whatever word they mentioned. And I actually don't really am I a bad friend for doing that, guys? I'm sorry. But sometimes I just really sometimes I don't know, my brain is just not there. I'm America. Oh, I see, I see. Is it and it carries convos. I always zone out in convos. A bad friend? Damn. I always zone out. I always do. Like especially if it's like a um especially if it's like what do you call that? Like a voice call. God has mastered this tech. If it's a voice call, sometimes I'll play games on the background while they yap. There was this one time I was just playing like Where Winds Meet while two of my friends yap on the background. Um, it was fun. It's really nice. It's like listening to a podcast, but yeah. I mentioned something a friend once told me a few years ago. They were happy that I remembered. I can't remember the calls. Oh my god. I remember some stuff. I remember random stuff. Like stuff that are not really helpful. I play Rivals when some e-girl had a breakdown in VC. Oh damn. I also went to this one voice call before. Um they were like crying about something. And I was just like playing Where Winds Meet on the background. like okay, to be fair, it's a group of people, okay, and I just casually joined, okay, I'm just really there for the podcast and just to listen. If I was texting, I can't remember them. Oh, I should tell someone go to VC and then enter the VC later and say kept you waiting. What? I should tell someone go to VC and then enter the VC later. Oh my gosh. Same. I asked my friend to yap so I can study. Love some white noise while I'm studying. Yeah, same. That's also the reason why I put people like I put streams on my background. I have like specific people who I can like put on the background while I do my stuff. But you know what people I can't put like okay, listen. I have people who I can put. I have people who I really can't put. Like I'm not going to mention names. I'm not going to drop names, but like people who just randomly screams, bro. Like I enjoy their content, but like, bro, a duck, yeah, bro. I try putting him on the background sometimes, so like when I'm like studying, because I like listening to him, but like he just randomly screams sometimes. So I'm like, okay, no, and like whenever I'm in his chat, I feel like I always need to keep on chatting I don't know. I'm so yappy in his stream. That's why sometimes I just mute him and just put him on tab. His streams are super fun, but you have to be active there. Yeah. I would have many streamers in the background all the time. Wait, do you like listen to all of them? I don't. I just I have friends who stream on the background and I just keep them tab. So I just be tabs. Yeah, I just be tabs as well. Guys, can you guys give me give me like 2 minutes? I just need to bathroom break. Oh my gosh, a bathroom break. Wait, be right back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's happening? What's happening? Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm lagging because I have a stream in the background. That's why. Oh my gosh. 2 minutes? Bro, that was not 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, bro. Timer stop. Okay. Okay, buddy. How do you think I respond to you? Wait, really? Do you have like multiple tab open? And like all of them have sound? Oh my gosh. I think my maximum would be like maybe three. Yeah, three is generally my limit. Toei is e-boy scouting. 100%. No, I'm not. They're not e-boys. They're like soft boys actually. No, I'm kidding. Piss. Thank you. Bounce. Three is my two is two. Okay, two is your limit. The jar. Piss a jar. I had a devious response, but I will refrain. No, say it. Say it. Come on, say it. I don't think I will. 2 minutes timer stop. Snurby has 5 inches PP. I'm so sad. 5 inches PP only. What, Snurby? Why? Mm. True was my max. I have three streams open right now. Did she wash her hands? I did. No, I did. I did. Clean them cat stuff. It's a light work for you. Ain't. Oh my gosh. Shiny with 12 inches PP. PP. I want to know how big my PP is. you look at that, 11 inches. 11 inches. Wow. Everyone else in the double digit, and there I am. Why are you guys laughing at me? I'm like 11. 11, 11. Gangalang. We need to end in like 15 minutes from now. We're gonna end. It just went from 8 to I'm a grower, okay? I grow. Ma. Ma. Yeah, you're growing schedule 1. Maybe I should play schedule 1 again. Maybe if I play schedule 1, I'll make a new thing. Oh my gosh, you're a grower too. 20 inches from 8 to 20. Wait, was it 8? 5 to 20. Dwugs. Maybe we should play Dwugs again. Either Dwugs or Rage Game. Guys, I think we should play Rage Game. I still have a save, bro. We should like start playing Rage games. Maybe on Friday, instead of Plants vs. Zombies, we'll play what is it? Getting Over? Getting Over? Hold on. What do you call that name? I forgot. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna sneeze. Getting Over It. Yeah, that one. Getting Over It. I can maybe join the Pogo game y'all were talking about. Oh my gosh. Hi, Mosey. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Welcome in, welcome in. Getting Over It. Yeah, maybe that one. If not that one, maybe the egg one. I feel like, bless you, haven't sneezed yet, but I feel like I will. If not the axe one, maybe the egg one. My favorite bot. People happy. Oh my gosh. He's more excited to see Shield than me. Oh, what is this? Egg game? Yeah, what do you call that? I think it's literally called egg. Egg game. Wait, no, it's not egg game. Wait, what do you call it? Egg in? Wasn't it like egg in something? Shield doesn't bully me, you do. Okay, buddy, when? What the fuck? When did I bully you, huh? Egg it on. Oh, yeah, that one. Oh my gosh, crazy. Thank you, crazy. Something like that. Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, no. Egg jumping. Egg jump game. Egging on. Yeah, that one. Egging on. Goonbot. We should slowly change, Oh my gosh, hi Kise. Hi Kise, hi Kise. Kise! If I make a Minecraft server, would you do you handle would you do you do you do you want to handle it? Bro, Kise is the one who's handling Kato's server. Kato's Minecraft server, and he was the one who was like asking if I need help with like the cobblemon, and I told him, nah bro, I gave up. Never mind. I don't want to play this game anymore. That's all I'm here to do. Oh my gosh. I can manage it? Yes. Oh wow. Wow. Vanilla or modded? Vanilla. Wait, I don't it's too complicated for modded. I want to join if you're making a server. It's so expensive. It's like $30. Oh my gosh. Grr. We'll do it when maybe next year. 30? I don't know. Shield said Kato was like paying for 30. Tori server? Oh my god. I'm the thing that, like I said, I'm not a Minecraft. I'm not a pro Minecraft, you know. Pro Minecraft player. Shiro's is 24. Oh, bro, that's still. Oh wait, US. Yeah, exactly. That's still like. Imagine paying 24 USD every month. Oh man, just stab me. Maybe next year. If we get more funds. And I don't think my laptop can handle doing that thingy. Entering our Minecraft arc and then the allegation would start coming out of the woodwork. Okay, you know what? You know what? Let's speedrun getting cancelled. Need a better PC first before getting a server. Exactly. Let's Minecraft allegation arc. Yeah, maybe next year. That will boost the channel. Anyways. But what about Roblox? How can I donate to the cause? You know, for some reason, like, why is Roblox so heavy? Oh, you know, remember the game that I was talking about earlier? That like they look like they're not really heavy, but once you play them, they're like really heavy. One of them is Roblox. Like when I look at Roblox, I'll be like, wait, this isn't. This looks really light. Like look at it. It's just like polygons and shit. And then you start playing it. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking heavy. Everything just lags and it's just so shit. Also, Q Zamu, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the After School Club. Hello. Donate to the cause is available in Discord, I think. Oh, wait. No, it's on the Throne. If you, like, click my Throne on my bio. Oh, yeah, wait. Guys, I think this is a good time to... Let's, I'm gonna... Wait, hold on. Let's quiet down the music a bit. Guys, I finally put up the Throne. Because every day, my PC fan is like it gets louder and louder every day. Oh no, there's no. Oh, I should have done that. But yeah, that's why last night I was like, you know what? Maybe I really should like put up my throne link. It really depends on the game. If you play like to your graphics bar, you'll be fine. Some servers make you forget you're playing Roblox. Bro, I play RV Dare on Roblox. And I forgot that I was playing Roblox. It was that good. The FP1 lags on my end as well. I have a Discord on. Yeah. You know what? Earlier you were like, you said you can only like stay for 15 minutes because of, I don't know, your mobile data. And then I realized you were like literally on a voice call. The spilled water was the final straw. Bro, I feel like it really fucked my PC. Jarvis throw the vibrator. No. But yeah, I did put like a Throne, like I did put the thingy for a new PC. Like so far, what is it? What am I saying? No, like it can still work. Like the laptop is still working. It's just that I can hear like a loud buzzing sound. And I don't know if you guys can hear it. Maybe not, because looking at my OBS, it's not picking it up, but it's like loud. It's this is not how my laptop sounded before. We don't. Yeah, you probably don't because of like the compressor and the mic. But it's just it's just it's that loud. Oh my gosh, hi Gizmo. Welcome. How are you doing? Welcome in. It'll give out soon if it's making sound like this. Wait, really? Bro. Bro. It's about to end stream, at least unpin it now. No, shut up. It's gonna stay there until we end stream. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna sound very old, but has any of you guys had like those small DVD player that has like a screen on it? Do you guys know that? Or like any DVD player? Have you guys? You are okay, fuck you. I am old, okay? I am old. Oh dang, yeah. Okay. That's the sound of my PC right now. That's literally how it sounds like. Like when you put the thingy there and it starts spinning around, that's how it sounds. You're an auntie just like us. I have one right now. One of us, damn Toby, older than me. No, I'm not, you bitch. Vroom. Yeah, it's going vroom. Yeah, it's going that. It's going like that. It really is. And that's been happening for like the past, I don't know, when did the water thingy happen? Like last week? It's been happening since then. I have like a set player as well, but it stopped working. Vroom. Yeah, it's like vrooming. That's why I wasn't joking when I told you guys that it's literally like a vibrator. It's that loud. But you know what? You know what? And you know what I did? I started like backupping my stuff. Like I exported my VTube Studio on a Google Drive just in case it dies. At least I have like a copy of my model. I need to like export my OBS as well. I mean, yeah, I need to export it because bro, I wasted like a few hours doing my setup, and I can't lose this setup. The fan bearings, I don't know, to be honest, Glow. Like I actually don't know anything about like the parts and all that. That's why I'm just guessing that maybe it is the fan. It sounds like the fan, so maybe it is. But it never sounded like this before. Just like not until the water thingy happened. Move out the weight. You should just make most of the copy of the other drive, like you had two drives, right? Um, what do you mean? Yeah, definitely back up them to a second. Yeah, oh yeah. I did back them. I did back up my VTube Studio, but I haven't backed up my OBS. I should do that. I did that before, but I can't remember where I put it. Um, so what I'll do is I'll probably clean my OBS for now, and then I'll move like the ones that I actually need because I have like a few scenes that I was trying out when I was testing like new ones. I'll put them all in Google Drive maybe. I don't know. Do you plan on getting a PC? I am planning on getting a PC. Oh my gosh. We're just a bit low on funds now. But hopefully before the laptop dies, we can get a new PC. Like you have a drive which has window and a compatible new drive, like a 1 TB one. What do you mean? Like I do have like another drive. Like it's there, but I put like games on it. Sigh. We got you, gang. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Like, to be honest, last night I was like, it was so hard for me to like post that because I really don't want to ask. Um, but like I realized, like, you know, every day that passes, the laptop is like dying, and if I don't put up the link now, it will just die even before we, you know, we do the crowdfunding. If it dies, the main drive, which has Windows, will go down with it. It mostly does. Oh wait, no, I have like an external drive. Does that work? I think it does. No, I'm not putting it on like this drive. I'm putting it on like a cloud. The other data is safe. Ah, I see, I see. I see, I see, I see. Hold on, let me just. Mhm. You have to make cloud storage, but ain't that expensive as well? I am under my mom's cloud storage. She's paying for like a family thing. So I'm being a parasite, and I mean, to be fair, she said the only reason why she's paying that is so that we can just like stay in that like one drive and like not pay for our own. So W mom actually. Do you play solitaire today stream? Not really. Do you want to play solitaire? And then she sees your model. No, it's like different account. It's one drive. It's like different account, but like same subscription. So it's still on my account. It's just that I'm under family. Play it. I doubt you can even finish it. Okay, buddy. Parasitism. I mean, she did say to like, because I did told her like, I could like get my own, and then she said, nah, no, just go to the thingy so that we, because it's much cheaper to just get like the family one. Because my dad's also under that thing. Also my brother. So, and she got like 5 slots. What will she do with like the other one? basically, basically we still have like one more. Forbidden Solitaire. I somehow got 5 TB one free. How did you get one? All her audios uploaded. All my ASMR. Guys, low key, I'm gonna be honest. Because I spoke to someone about this. I don't think I have like, okay, let's not be like, oh no, Tori, you do. Let's stop with like the toxic positivity thingy. Yeah, I really don't think I have like talent for ASMR, but I want to like go to like maybe VA path, not ASMR, because those are very different thing. I don't want to do ASMR. I want to do like voice acting. She'll become a VTuber and store her own asset and model in the one the one account. My SIP company is giving out free Google. Really? Okay, good start now. Thank you for the stream, Toey. Bye bye, Snurby. Good luck with your doctor. Good luck, good luck. Bye bye, bye bye. Bye, Snurby. Meow, meow, meow. Oh my gosh, hi, Mia. Welcome in. Hi, Mia. Hi, Mia. Hi, Mia. Hi, Mia. Hi, Mia. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How was your day? Your evening, actually. How was your evening and how was your day? How are you, Tori? Not too bad. Day's okay. Tired though, but it's okay. To be honest, ASMR required a diaper. Yeah, and I don't think I have that kind of branding. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I have that. Because to be fair, those people who do ASMR, they need to be like very mommy-ish. You know what I mean? And I don't think I have that. Like I'm very aware of that. Why are we no longer in a classroom? You know what? I did one. I think I moved one. Like we can still do this. Like it's still there. Um, but I think I like this one. Oh shit, not that one. Not wait. Um, that was the old one. This one. Somehow it became 2 hours. It just say you need an excuse to not release Tori ASMR MP3. Here. Either mommy or what isn't it GFE? Yeah, okay, GFE. It's lunch. Yeah, it's lunch. We're outside. We got expelled. No. Thank you for the head, Pat. My day is good. I had a minor setback on pickleball. My performance was not the same as my previous day, and my coach taught me a screwball and a blackout happened this evening, but it's okay now. Oh, damn. I see, I see. Also, hi, Potato. Welcome in. How are you doing, Potato? Needs listen. So where's the rooftop scene? Oh my gosh, God, you gave me an idea. I should do like a rooftop thingy. That would be so nice. I don't know how we'll pull that off though. Maybe let's see, let's see. Me pretending to be shocked. Okay. I mean, you know what? I really thought we were just gonna stream for an hour today, like a low key. Thank you for the head pat, Mia. How you Toby? Not too bad, not too bad. Rooftop will be heavy? I mean, you know what? I actually thought this setup will be heavy, but turns out it's not. Like, I feel like I can like slowly find like other setups. I want to explore like more setup. But guys, isn't it like cool? I really like this one. I saw this from itch.io. I should actually like credit it on my bio. I forgot to put it on my bio. But this thing is actually a game UI asset from itch.io. And then I was like, you know what? Why? It doesn't need to be for game. I can use that for stream. When's the beach episode? Potato is who exactly? Is Leisha. Asking the real question? Or the pool scene? Oh my gosh. I don't even know. Okay. Or the camping trip? The summer festival? I really like it. I like it. I also like that because wait, do I even have the old one? I think I still have this. No, this was the one included in the thingy. And then I don't think I put the other one here. Um yeah, remove the background because I was looking at Pinterest. I was like, well, how do people like how do game developer actually put the thingy at the bottom? Oh my gosh, hi Mix. Well, look who it is. Hi Mix, welcome. How are you doing? I look at like how they put the text at the bottom and like most of them they just do like a black gradient. And I was like, oh, that's so clean. That looks really nice. I think that looks good with the white text, no? Mhm. It does look very clean. It does. It's much cleaner than the old one. I like it. And then the goober is sucking away. Oh, thank you, Shield. Wait, did I not? Anyways. What do you mean? The goober is nice. It's wait, I really want it to be like dim. Like let's dim it, but I'm not speaking. It's cute. What do you mean? No, yeah, no, we're not removing that. What do you mean? No, we're gonna keep it there until we end stream. Why it ain't even important? It is. That's the highlight of the whole stream. Very cute. Thank you, God. Thank you. Bro, this was the fugi that I was waiting for like April, May, like a month. Oh my gosh. I oh my gosh. It was cute until it started moving. What do you mean? It looks nice. Look. I'm gonna shut up. Then it became cuter. Exactly. Thank you, God. Thank you. I even, you know what? What looks cute? Oh my gosh, stop bonking me. I even, because we were supposed to have like a small collab, like just a game thingy with Kato, and I told him, can we like move it until I get my fugi? Because I want to use my fugi. I will blet. It looks nice. It looks cute. You need a command to eat this. No, we're not gonna make a command like that. Nuh-uh, nuh-uh. Um, it's so derpy, bro. That's the charming ass. Exactly. That's why it's so cute. And they will say beautiful Fugi. But you know what, guys? I actually like the ideas that you guys. Wait, let me take note of that. Yeah, let me just go to my thingo and just put What do you guys want? Like rooftop scene, bro? How do I even do bench thing? Like how bench? It's like the other one. The only thing that I can't do probably is the beach one. You know why? Because my model can't change clothes. Rooftop beach scene, summer festival, camping. Oh my gosh. Stuff that shows up in standard high school animes. Damn. Okay, I see. I see. Let's see. Don't click on the naked toggle. There's no naked toggle. That's the thing. I'm actually thinking of like getting those customizable ones. There she goes, the winter uniform. There goes the winter uniform idea. Maybe we can get like the customized. Oh, ooh. But before that, let's I've been, bro. You know what's so exciting? Like trying to like design your model with the bonfire at the end of the festival. You want to click on the naked toggle that shut up, bro. I never said that. Anyways, yeah, I'll put that on my thingo. I feel like some of these are doable without me changing much, like changing stuff. It's just a matter of getting the right assets. Like finding the right assets and like getting them. Look, as an academic victim. Hi, so welcome and thank you for the first time chat. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. I will be tomorrow. I'll be an academic victim tomorrow. Because I have class. I have uni, guys. I have uni. Oh my gosh, I have uni. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Wait, I know you. I think. Probably not, but hold on, let me. I feel like I do know you. Hold on. Maybe not. Do you though? How was it debate or whatever? Oh, the debate was actually good. Like, it was really. It was much chill than I was expecting it to be. I was expecting it to be like very high energy thingo, but no, we just read our parts and that's it. Do you know me? I don't. Hi Kana, welcome. We're gonna be ending actually, but welcome in. Thanks for the shout out. That's no problem. That's all good. No, I've ever seen such a oh my gosh. Don't worry, Toei doesn't know you, but I know you. Wait, do you actually? No, I thought I think I've seen them somewhere. I think it was in Lamy's chat. Oh, I see. I see. Oh my gosh. Hi, Rashford. Welcome in. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Good, good evening. Hard stare. What the fuck you mean hard stare? What did I do? What did I do, guys? What did I do? Also, guys, we should start like finding someone to raid. Damn, I've never seen Paxton in my life as well. Huh? Meow 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 Who's you? As soon as I get in your raid. No, I'm like I've been looking for someone to raid for like the past 15 minutes. I've never seen such a Wakotori in my life. What do you mean? This is Wako. This is Wako. This cutie right here. Oh my gosh, imagine I just put her on top of him. Like that. That's so cute. Don't worry, it'll take another 30 minutes for her to find someone. No, I have some people to raid. You can raid Snoop Dogg. Do a spin. Spin will like me to raid. Yeah, hide the okay, no. We're not gonna hide them. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Not Usagi. Oh, wait, I have another one. I have another one. Oh my gosh, wait. Speaking of Chikawa. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Where is it? Where's my Chikawa? The Chikawa tour. Wait. I'm gonna show it to you guys. That looks so cute. That looks so cute. Look at me. It's not a fox. It's a cat. Oh my gosh, bro. Mm. It's actually, you know what? Let's actually like remove the thingy here, like that. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. She has a track of failing rates. No, I don't. What do you mean, bro? Woof woof. What have you done to it? What do you mean? What have I done to it? This is Chikawa Tori. What do you mean? It looks cute. It looks adorable. It's adorable. It looks nice. Okay. Okay, let's actually find someone to raid. Let's see. Because I need to sleep soon. Do you guys want to watch someone play um Hmm. Do you guys want to watch someone play Minecraft? When I don't know if you guys know who Wen is, but Wen comes in here to say hi sometimes. Wen is a like another friend from like the morning streams. Do you guys want to watch someone play Resident Evil 3? Mm-hmm. No. You have done some inhumane things to that Chikawa? Yeah, shove it up your ass. Merryweather? When, what, where, why? What do you mean? No RE, we riot. Minecraft love. Okay, now we can either watch someone play Resident Evil, or we can watch someone play Wuthering Wave, or Minecraft. Can we read Risha from Polo Live? Like, oh my gosh, gang, I'm not excited for tomorrow, nor on Friday. Especially on Friday. I have like, can you read case? Oh my gosh. Especially on Friday. I have like some shit to do on Friday. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna Kermit. I'm gonna jump. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yum yum yum. I need to end this week or else I'm gonna end myself. Will I end this week? Will this week end or will I end or something? I don't know, whatever. Can you raid Mr. Beast? The pin? Then message no. Oh my gosh. We gotta sleep, gang. You know what? You guys will watch Booba. Yeah. I made up my mind. You guys will watch what? I will bomb you if you end. Imagine having school. Wow, couldn't be me. Wow. Can you read Gagura? Okay. Let's um Yum, 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 yum. The illusion of choice, exactly. No, I did ask you guys if you want someone playing Wuwa, but you guys didn't answer properly. And I kept on asking, like, do you guys want to watch someone play Resident Evil? Do you guys want someone who's playing, I don't know, this and that? Time for one more hour? Do we want to stay for one more hour? Nah. You guys should sleep. You guys should rest. That's what you guys should do. We shouldn't stay for one more hour. What? Why would you do that? The illusion of choice. One more hour, please. For me, nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah. And then now you guys will be like, so you hate Kana. And then I'll be like, yeah, I do hate her. Yeah, I fucking know you guys. You guys are so predictable. You hate us? One more hour? No, no, no. I need to sleep, gang. I have school tomorrow. So you love Kana? I do. Fucked up. She hates us. Wow. Wow. I see, I see. But these songs are so good. It's giving like Harvest Moon vibes. Oh my gosh. Wow, Tori. Hi, Yura. Hi, Yura Sanada. Oh my gosh, it's Yaoi. Kinda may be an iPad kid, but that was unprovoked. Okay. Okay, you guys are just a bunch of bitches, you know? How about we raid, oh my gosh. Is that Barry? Oh my gosh. Hi, Barry. Welcome. How are you doing, bud? Welcome in, welcome in. Hi, hi. This is why she's not in the classroom. She's looking for someone to bully. Why? Can you read an ESL that doesn't speak English? I mean, we could do that. But like, so... How are you doing, Barry? How about we raid? Why do I need to find someone to bully? You guys are with me in the classroom. Like, you guys are already there. Raid an offline channel. Let's raid Saikuno. Oh, you know what? Let's raid Z-Bear. Huh, yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Can you raid Justin Bieber? Does he even have a Twitch? Yum 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 yum. Meow 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 meow. Can we raid Snoop Dogg? How about we raid your ass, huh? Can you raid Hatsune Miku? Do you guys want to watch Valorant? do, you, do you guys want to watch Valorant? No? Why not? Valorant is such a comfort game. Make up your mind. I can't. Kansai Taito. Can we rate someone in the artifact category? Can we rate someone in um 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 my phone is heating up at this point. Just now or it'll explode. No, let's keep edging. That'll be fun. Please, it's either movie or porn. Porn restrictions. Can we raid Worry Taco? Oh my gosh. I think Worry Taco also have can you raid this stinky dog tuber? I'm not a dog. What do you mean? If we raid Worry Taco, I think they'll get mad at us because I think They told me that they're also busy tomorrow. They have class tomorrow, guys. Can I raid my Kami? No, let's raid my Kami. Let's raid Tanner. Let's watch Resident Evil 3. Raid Wako Lovebot. Can I raid Kana? I know it. How do you know? We can. Let's see. Let's. He's playing Resident Evil 3. Taco is getting Discord allegations. And Tanner, yeah, yeah, they're playing Resident Evil 3. Yeah, this is a good. Anyways, guys, I feel like okay, you know what? No, let's still because the sound is like very chill right now. But let's still do like our traditional ending. Where is it? Oh my gosh, I can't find it. Yeah, the low cortisol. Wait, I can't find it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm panicking. Oh my gosh. Might as well round up to 3 hours? Bro, no. It's only like 17. It's only like 2:17. You got rid of the clock. How do I know what time is it now? Oh wait, I actually do have it still. I just oh fuck, this fucker is like oh, that's why I removed it. Because it's doing that thing. Oh. How about if I do filter and then I add the clock here? Oh my gosh, guys, imagine if my stream just fucking dies right now. Just imagine if it dies like right now. Oh my gosh, Shikawa being a fat ass. Wait. Wait, gang, I can't find my ending. Um, our low cortisol are trained mind. At least remove the pin. No. Shield, you're the good guy. Do it, please. No, he's never a good. What do you mean, good guy? He's never the good guy. Tori Chikawa, the fat ass. Oh my gosh. Thanks for the stream, Miss Vibes. What we had never heard of such a thing. um, is there? I'm not a good guy. Yeah, you're not. You're not. Um, I'll. We'll see each other again on Friday. Friday my time, which is like 2 days from now, I think. Um, yeah, we'll see if we'll play Egging on or we'll play the X one, but I'm pretty sure we won't stream any Plants vs Zombie. We'll just stream like rage games. I want to like just do like random rage games, to be honest, like yap while playing shit. In another 84 years, then am I the bill? What do you mean? Thanks for the stream, Miss Vibes. Stop calling me Miss Vibes. Oh my gosh. Thanks for the stream, Miss Vibes. Stop. Thank you guys so much for being here tonight. Thank you guys so much for always being here. Can you read what's on a oh my god. What about the cat Mario? Cat Mario? What is a cat Mario? What the heck is that? What a cat Mario? Isn't cat Mario like that's a rage game? Oh. I see. Let's see. Um, anyways. You guys have a good night. If you okay, get the raid message. Yeah, yeah. Um, guys have a good night, good day ahead. You guys have a good rest. Anyone who's like still at work right now, good luck at work. Anyone who's at school right now, good luck in your school. Anyone who's gonna sleep, good night to everyone. And everyone who just woke up, good morning to you guys. Can you raid Minato? Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, hi Snurvy. Okay. Let's raid Mr. Tanner. Tanner Atlas. Fuck, wait, no, it's not that. How do you do raid? I don't know how to raid. Shut up, Shield, shut up. Stuff like this. You guys are meanies. Oh my gosh, you guys are so mean. What? Noob? Fuck you, bro. No, I'm not. Bye bye, guys. Anyone who wants to bye bye, just say bye bye. Wait, no, actually, no. Let me open my mix it up. Oh, shoot. Thank you so much for Shield and Kana for keeping our chat safe tonight. Thank you so much, Zeko. Thank you so much, Crazy, God, Glow, Mist, Snurby, Soul, Creed, Yura, Forehead, Kana. Thank you guys so much for staying tonight. Yeah. Pretty low energy stream tonight. Yeah. But I think that's good. I think this is really vibey. We should do this often again. You know, just chatting and just vibing. Yeah. Well, didn't it mention me? She hates me. Virimer. Virimer. Thank you for the podcast. Thank you guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. You guys have a good rest. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Have fun gooning, guys. Have fun gooning. Oh my gosh, you guys, are you gonna goon? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna goon. What?